Jessica opened a bank account that earns 2% interest compounded annually. Her initial deposit was $100, and she used that expression right there to find the value of the account after 2 years. Jessica's friend Tyshawn found an account that earns 2.5% interest compounded annually. Okay, that's nice, actually. Tyshawn made an initial deposit of $100 into this account at the same time Jessica made a deposit of $100 into her account. After 10 years, how much more money will Tyshawn's initial deposit have earned than Jessica's initial deposit? Round your answer to the nearest cent and ignore the dollar sign when gridding your response. Well, I don't have to grid nothing unless I'm doing the griddy. Let's discuss Tyshawn. We'll do Tyshawn, T for Tyshawn. This formula comes from the idea of compound interest formula. Now, since this is talking about something that's being done annually, I can use the idea that we start out with $100, right? You have 100%, you add the decimal rate, and you take it to the time power. Okay, this is compound interest done annually. If it wasn't annually, we would have divided by n and n attached here, but I don't see that. So if you're wondering what the x is 1 or 100% plus whatever rate it gives you. So Tyshawn starts out with $100, right? So $100, just like Jessica did. You have 1, and you're adding 2.5%. 2.5% as a decimal is 0.025 taken to the 5th power. Is it 5th power? No, it's taken to the 10th power because we're talking about 10 years. Okay, so if you did a little bit of math, 100 times 1 plus 0.025 is going to be 1.025 to the 10th power. Okay. Now, this is part of the calculator section, so it would be very, 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 very difficult to attempt this without the use of a calculator. If you plug all of that in, you'll find out that Tyshawn has a current investment of $128. 0.008, so we'll put 0.01 cent. So got a penny in there. That's good. Now we have Jessica. Jessica's formula is going to be very, very, very similar, but Jessica was 2% compounded annually. So hers is going to be 100 times 1 plus 2%, which is the decimal 2 cents. All of that to the 10th power. Okay. That simplifies to 100 times 1.02 to the 10th power. A little bit of calculator trickery, and Jessica ends up being $121.89. Actually, it's 0.899, so we will round this to 90 cents. Now, the question that's being asked is, after 10 years, how much more money will Tyshawn's initial deposit have earned than Jess's initial deposit? Okay, so Tyshawn is 128.01. Jessica is 121.90. Okay, you subtract the one from the other, you subtract the one from the other, and I'm doing this the old-fashioned way, $6.11. Wow, after 10 years, a whole $6.11. Worth it.